Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Greg here. So we are no longer in Austin. We are currently in Salado, Texas, which is about an hour north of Austin. And we're actually back in the area to where Dawn and I were living before we left for Mexico. So we're kind of back in our hometown area. It's real nice. And we're getting to stay with a good friend of ours who has this beautiful ranch out here in Salado, big deer ranch. And they kind of just gave us the ranch house all to ourselves for the time we're here, which is fantastic. And what it's doing is giving me an opportunity to get back to my country boy roots, because who I am. I'm a country boy at heart. And so since we're out here in Salado, Texas, we're surrounded by oak trees. So that means one thing for me. It means barbecue. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to be smoking this whole chicken. And one of the best things that we got is the chicken came with the giblets. So my baby girl Perla is going to have her very first ever Texas barbecue. I hope she's going to like it. I'm going to make this especially for her. So what we're going to do is we're going to be here in Salado for a little bit, and we're going to bring you our adventures from this town. Salado's a super cool town. It's got a lot of history here, and it's just kind of a very artsy boutique kind of a town. So we'll be out traveling and showing you the place. Got a lot of cool shops and restaurants in downtown. And so stick with us, guys. We're in Salado, Texas. So we had a front come through last night and cooled off, and we're getting a bunch of rain today. But I kept my wood dry last night because I knew it was supposed to rain. So this is what we're looking at. I got my firebox over here. I've got Perla's giblets. And I've got the whole chicken. And the rain's starting to come down. So what I want to do is I'm going to roast this chicken on about 250. Probably for about 2 hours. And then I'm going to uncover it, unwrap it from the foil, and let it finish so we get that nice golden crisp on the skin. Oh man, it's going to be so good. And with some good oak wood, this is just going to be good stuff. It's been a long time since Dawn and I have had an opportunity to cook like this, and because this is how we actually lived pretty much every day before we moved to Mexico. And it just feels so good to get back to my country boy self. All right, guys, so see you in a bit. All right, so I went out the smoker and got those little pack of giblets off the grill for Perla, and we're gonna give her first taste test today and see what happens. So we had the chicken neck, the liver, the gizzard, the heart, and let's go with some liver. Perla, sit, baby. That's a good girl. What do you think, Perla? What do you think, baby, about some hill country Texas barbecue, baby? What do you think? I think Perla approves, and I'm pretty sure that Dawn and I are going to approve here in a couple hours too when our chicken is ready. This is gonna be good, man. Okay guys, so it's been a few hours now. Let's go have a look-see on the old smoker. Just look at my view right now, man. Out here in beautiful Texas hill country. What's not to like, man? Check it out, yo. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm pretty content with the way it looks and feels right now, so I'm going to go ahead and pull it off, put it on a plate, and let it rest, and see what we got. You know, when it comes to barbecue, here in Texas, right, there's grilling and then there's barbecue. And barbecuing to us is slow cooked over good wood, right? And when it comes to barbecuing, you ask 100 different people, you get 100 different answers about, you know, what good barbecue really entails. And for me, I'll tell you, it's just the simplicity. It's just a good basic seasoning, and it's all about good smoke and patience. You need that good, slow, consistent temperature, and you need to be patient. You need to baby your fire and wait for the magic to happen. You cannot rush good barbecue. So that's basically what it looks like for me. So this is what we have, and we're going to cut into this chicken and see what we got. I need your help.
Need my help?
I need your help.
Am I on video right now?
You are on video right now. We do this for a living, honey. Don't act surprised.
Yeah, but usually I'm prepared and I know that this is happening.
Alright, I need you to film me. Truth, guys. Take a look, see. You can actually see how deep the color of the smoke goes into the meat. You have a taste, babe?
Well, yeah.
See the color? See how pink? That's what you want. You want that smoke to really penetrate into the meat. Oh my God.
Babe, I'm not camera ready.
You are now. Perla woke up. She said, what are y'all doing in there?
That's good, honey.
That's good. Let's see if Perla wants to try. Perla, you want some smoked barbecue, baby?
Oh, you know she does.
Oh, my boo-boo. Look how precious she is. Alright guys, so this is again finger licking good, as you can see. Quick little video on out here in the Texas Hill Country. I slow cooked this chicken for probably about 6 hours over some good oak, and we're gonna have dinner. This is just absolutely delicious. So appreciate you staying with us. Get an opportunity, hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up and share with some friends, and next time, take care and much love.